Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the alto saxophone with line 7, 3 in the mix. So let's go through our music and see what we have. As always, we start with our treble clef, and then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in every measure. The bottom number is the value of the whole note or whole rest. So in this case, we're going to give each whole note and whole rest 4 counts. In our first measure, we have D on the 4th line, and that is going to involve your octave key, 1, 2, 3 with the left hand, 1, 2, 3 with the right hand. Hold that for 4 counts, gives you plenty of time to look ahead and see that you change in measure 2 to a B on the 3rd line. B is just the first finger on the left hand. Hold that for 4 counts, and then you see in measure 3 we change to our 3rd space C, which is just the middle finger on the 2nd key. We have 3 measures in a row where we don't have a rest in between. We are playing for 3 full measures, hence 3 in the mix. When you are resting in measure 4, that gives you plenty of time to look ahead and see that the next measure is also a C. So you keep the same fingering. Then the next measure you move up to 4th line D, again, all of your fingers except your pinkies, and add your octave key. Finally, in measure 7, you are playing a 3rd line B, first finger only, hold it for 4 full counts, and then you end with a measure of rest, and here's your final bar line. I'm going to play through this. My metronome is set at 80 beats per minute. I'm going to start each note with a t sound, tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed, so I have a clean start to each sound. You can play along with me, or you can wait and watch the first time, then watch the video again and join me the second time. But here we go. 1, 2, ready. Look ahead, same note. And that is it for line 7, 3 in the mix. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.